I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Azure subscription has OpenAI access and billing configured, because without that you cannot call models. Once done, create a new OpenAI resource. Pick a region and SKU, then generate and copy the endpoint and key for later. Make sure to set role assignments and restrict key use. This prevents accidental exposure. Now open the Playground and paste the endpoint and key into the connection settings so you can begin crafting requests immediately. Once connected, pick the model and tune parameters like temperature and max tokens to control creativity and length. Lower temperature yields focused outputs. Use the system message to set behavior, then add user instructions and example assistant responses to guide the model. Test iteratively with short prompts, adjusting top P and stop sequences. Keep an eye on token usage and cost. If you need real-time output, enable streaming. Log each request and response so you can reproduce or refine results later. To finish, run end-to-end tests that include edge cases and verify rate limits and latency under load, because production behavior can differ from single queries. Export your prompt templates and parameter settings as JSON so you can reuse them and store keys securely. If something breaks, first check your API key and endpoint region for mismatches, then verify quota and subscription limits, and confirm the model is not deprecated. If needed, rotate the key and retry. That often resolves authentication or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.